What advice do you have for the next generations?
I don't know. Yeah, be curious. No, be curious, and everything matters, really. I think that's important, and that's also something I like about folk music and which is strongly reflected for me in Yiddish culture. You know that everything really matters. You know, like it's a very talkative thing. You know, and coming from a different culture, I was sometimes annoyed by it. You know, and until I learned everybody's annoyed by it. It's just the way it is. You know? So like you know, people talk and talk and talk and you know and play and play and play, and it's you know there's a lot to say and really everything matters. It's important. You know? It's good. So it should matter to us. It should matter to you as a future artist, and you know, be curious and you know want to learn everything. Yeah, because I think there is yeah huge treasure in everything, like in the tiniest little thing. Yeah.